Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Math with me. In my previous videos we have discussed about nth term introduction. I hope you understood that concept. So in today's lesson I am going to talk about some example problems related to nth term of an AP. So before we begin this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my video. So here, nth term of an AP is section 3 in the first chapter arithmetic progressions. So in section 1.3, let's discuss some examples. So here is the first example. Let me read the question. Find the 10th term of the AP 2, 7, 12. Here the first term is 2. And the common difference D is A2 minus A1, 7 minus 2, 5. As I already told you, common difference is nothing but it's the difference between two consecutive terms. So A2 minus A1, 7 minus 2 is 5. Here is the question to find 10th term, right? So n is already given, n is 10. So what is the formula to find the nth term of AP? We know an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Here n is 10. So if we substitute n, first term and common difference in the formula, then we get a10 equals to 2 plus 10 minus 1 d. Right? 2 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into 5. 2 plus 9 5s are 45. 2 plus 45, 47. Therefore, the 10th term of the given AP is 47. Okay, I hope you are clear with the first example. Now let's discuss example 2. Let me read the question. Which term of the AP 21, 18, 15 and so on is minus 81, also is any term 0? Give reason for your answer. See here, you get little confused reading this question, but this is very simple question. Let me explain you can. Here in a given AP, 21 is the first term. D is A2 minus A1. A2 is 18, A1 is 21. 18 minus 21 is minus 3. And in the question, nth term is given, that is an is minus 81, and now we have to find n. As we already know, the formula for the nth term is an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Here the nth term is given, that is an is equals to minus 81. So substitute here, an is minus 81, first term is 21, and n now we need to find, and this is minus 3. Let's solve this. Minus 81 equal to 21 plus minus 3 into n minus 3n plus minus into minus is plus, and 3 ones are 3. So plus 3. Here minus 81 equals to 21 plus 3, 24 minus 3n. When we send plus 24 to the LHS, we will get minus 24 equal to minus 3. Minus 81 minus 24 is minus 105 equal to minus 3n. Now minus 105 equal to minus 3n. Minus minus get cancelled, right? So 105 equal to 3n. Now just send 3 to the LHS, then 105 over 3 is 35. 35th term of the given AP is minus 81. So what is n here? N is 35. Now the second part in that question, the question has been splitted, right? The second question, in that question, the part 2 question is here. Next, we want to know if there is any n for which an equal to 0. Okay, here we need to find n for which an equal to 0. Now what we need to find? N, where n equal to 0. As we know the formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. An is 0, a is 21, a is nothing but first term, right? N minus 1, d is common difference, that is minus 3, 0 equal to 21 plus minus 3 into n minus 3n minus into minus plus 3 into 1 3. Okay, 0 equal to 21 plus 3 24 minus 3n. Okay, when we send minus 3n to the LHS side, it becomes plus 3n. Then 3n is equal to 24. n equal to 24 over 3. 3 8s are 24. Sorry, 3 8s are 8. 3 8s are 24, right? So n equal to 8. So here 8th term is 0. Now here is the third example. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the 7th term is 9. Here third term is already given, that is 5, and the 7th term is 9. A3 equal to a plus 3 minus 1d. A7 equals to a plus 7 minus 1d. Here nothing but we just wrote according to the formula, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1d. n is 3. Okay, right? n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. We just wrote according to the formula. Now on solving the pair of linear equations, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Okay, on solving, we know the linear equation solving method, right? Write the first equation, a plus 2d equal to 5, and then a plus 6d is equal to 9. A get cancelled, right? Positive negative get cancelled. Now minus 4d minus 4. 4 get cancelled, minus minus get cancelled. Now d equal to 1. Now we need to find the first term. Take the first equation, that is a plus 2d equal to 5. Now substitute the d in the first equation. A plus 2 into 1 equal to 5, that is a plus 2 equal to 5. Now send 2 to the RHS. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now we got the first term and even the common difference, right? That is a is 3 and the common difference is 1. Now here we need to find the AP. Okay, at least 5 terms we need to find. So a is equals to 3 and the common difference is 1, right? To find a2 equal to a plus d. A is 3, 3 plus 1 4. A3 is a2 plus d. Here a2 is nothing but 4, 4 plus 1 5. A4 a3 plus d. A3 is 5, 5 plus 1 6. A5 is a4 plus 1. A4 is 6 plus 1 7. So now we got the sequence, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. So these are the few examples related to nth term of an AP. I hope you are clear with this topic. And in the upcoming video, let's discuss some more examples. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Then thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.